Removing the toilet tank lid is essential when treating mineral buildup because the overflow tube and jet lines sit beneath the lid and require direct access for proper chemical application. When you lift the tank lid, you gain clear access to the overflow tube next to the fill valve and the jet openings that feed water to the bowl. Start by turning off the water supply at the shutoff valve and flushing to lower the tank water level so the chemicals will contact the deposits rather than dilute immediately. Prepare a mild bleach and water mixture or a diluted muriatic acid alternative, following product instructions, and wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection. Pour the solution slowly around the overflow tube and into the recessed jet openings so the chemical reaches the mineral deposits that are hidden under the lid, lip, and the rim feed. Allow the solution to sit for the manufacturer recommended time, then scrub accessible surfaces with a non-abrasive brush and use a flexible bottle brush for narrow jets. Turn the water back on, replace the lid, and flush several times to confirm the jets are clearing and to dilute any residual chemical. A common mistake is leaving the lid on and pouring cleaner into the bowl, where the solution never reaches the tank jets, which you avoid by lifting the lid and applying directly. Another issue is using undiluted strong acid and damaging plastic parts, so always follow dilution guidance and test on a small area first. People also forget to shut off the water and lower the tank level, which causes rapid dilution of the cleaner and weak results, so close the shutoff valve and flush before applying chemicals. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners find local contractors and compare experience and services related to plumbing and fixture maintenance. We also help contractors find work and build their client base, and we host an active discussion community where users ask questions and share practical tips.